How to take a screenshot in Blender video editing. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is to look for the frame, for the image, for the frame that you will transform in an image, in a PNG image. Look for it and select which one you like. I'll go with this frame. Okay, I'll select the frame, copy the frame, and then go um to here, output properties, and here you have to enter the frame and again and add +1, like so you have one frame here. And then let's go a bit down from here. You can change the output to where you want to save the file. Click on it and select where you want to save the file. And what's important here, you have to select we have to change the file format. For us would be PNG. And okay, that's all. And now in the end we just need to render, so click on render and render animation. Now that's it, you save that PNG image. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.